We're just about 2 days away from the official release of the iPhone 15 lineup, at least at the time that this video is dropping. And I want to give you one last preview of a case. This one comes to us from Caudabe, and it's called the Sheath. Now, I've got it in amethyst, but it also comes in black, gray, and blue. It's going to run you $41, and I'll link to it in the description down below. One thing to note, if you order this case by or before September 27th, you're going to receive a cutout version. The cutout is for where the action button goes. However, they will be producing a version that covers the action button, and you're entitled to a complimentary upgrade to that case. So you'll want to follow up via the link down below and support to get that. Now, here is the case itself. I really like this particular color. You can see all the cutouts, the button coverage. Again, that cutout will have a button coverage for the action button in the very near future. And then it's got a really plush interior. Of course, it has magnets, so it'll work with all your MagSafe accessories. And don't worry, this is just a preview here. I wanted to show you what this case looks like. I'm going to come back and I will show you how the phone fits in it, button presses and all of that. You're getting a glimpse right here of the inside rails and what that's going to look like when it presses up against your phone. So again, this is the Sheath. It is by Caudabe. I'm going to link to it in the description down below. I don't know. I've never used this case before, and I'm excited to pop the iPhone 15 Pro Max into it. It looks really promising. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will catch you next time.